Hi, Sarah. What are you doing these days? You seem very busy.
Hi, Adam. Yes, I've been studying English a lot lately. I really want to improve my speaking skills, pronunciation, and fluency.
That's excellent. English is very important nowadays. Why do you want to improve it so much?
Well, I want to travel to different countries, meet new people, and maybe work abroad. English will help me communicate with people from different cultures and backgrounds.
That makes sense. English is a global language. You can use it almost anywhere.
Exactly. But sometimes I feel nervous when I speak. I'm afraid of making mistakes and sounding silly.
Don't worry about that. Making mistakes is a natural part of learning. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes.
Really? That's reassuring. I thought only beginners made mistakes.
No, everyone makes mistakes, even teachers. The important thing is to practice consistently.
I try to practice every day, but sometimes I feel lonely because I don't have anyone to speak with.
That's normal. You can practice by talking to yourself or recording your voice. Listening to your recordings helps a lot.
Oh, I never tried recording myself. That sounds very useful.
It really is. You can notice your mistakes, compare with native speakers, and gradually improve pronunciation and confidence.
I've also heard about a technique called shadowing. Do you know how it works?
Yes, shadowing is excellent. You listen to a native speaker and immediately repeat what they say. You try to copy their rhythm, tone, and pronunciation.
So I should speak at the same time as the audio, even if it's fast.
Exactly. At first, it might feel difficult, but your brain and mouth will get used to it. Your fluency will improve over time.
That sounds challenging but fun. I like the idea of speaking like a native.
It's a lot of fun, and consistency is key. Even 10 to 15 minutes every day can make a huge difference over time.
That's not too long. I think I can manage that every day.
Great! Also, choose topics that interest you. If you enjoy what you're listening to, it will be easier to stay motivated.
I love topics about travel, culture, food, and lifestyle. Listening to those will make shadowing more enjoyable.
Perfect! You can watch videos, listen to podcasts, or even follow English news channels. Anything that keeps your brain active with the language.
Sometimes I listen to English songs too. Can music help me improve?
Absolutely! Songs help you learn natural rhythm, intonation, and pronunciation. You can even sing along while shadowing.
That sounds fun. I'll try singing along while practicing.
Also, try not to just repeat words. Focus on understanding the meaning. If you understand the phrases, it's easier to remember them.
That's true. Sometimes I just repeat sounds without knowing the meaning, and it doesn't help much.
Exactly. Try to make small sentences with new words. For example, if you learn the word journey, you can say, "My journey to London was amazing."
That's helpful. I will try to make sentences like that every day.
Good idea. And remember, listening carefully is very important. The more you listen, the easier shadowing becomes.
I notice that too. When I listen to English podcasts or news, I start recognizing words and intonation patterns.
Yes, and your confidence grows as you repeat more and more. Don't worry if you can't keep up at first.
That's encouraging. I'll focus on small improvements every day.
Perfect. Also, try speaking with others whenever you can. Even short conversations help a lot.
I agree. Sometimes I chat with friends online who speak English. It's scary at first, but I feel proud after.
That's the best way. Real conversations are very different from reading or shadowing alone. Both are important.
I will try to do both, shadowing and real conversations.
Excellent. And don't forget writing too. Writing short paragraphs about your day or your thoughts helps you remember new words.
I've started keeping a small English journal. I write 3 to 5 sentences every day.
That's fantastic. Combining speaking, listening, and writing makes your learning much more effective.
I'm excited to see my progress in a few weeks.
And you will notice it. Keep a record of your practice, listen to old recordings, and compare them. You'll be amazed at how much you improve.
I can't wait to try it. Thank you for all the advice, Adam.
You're welcome, Sarah. And to all our viewers, speak often, listen carefully, shadow regularly, write daily, and enjoy the process. English is fun when you practice consistently.
See you next time, everyone. Keep learning and practicing English every day.
Bye, everyone. Don't give up. Small steps every day lead to big improvements.